We finna go explore the rest of the woods, y'all. Ooh, no traction in this bitch. Let's see how far I can get. Look like people turned this into like a dumping ground. I don't got no weapons. If like some animal come after me, I'm fucked. Come on, dog. Bruh. I'm gonna go up this way. I don't even know if I can make some clearings. Let's see where this takes me. Damn, I don't even know how to move around out here. This is crazy. I don't even know what the fuck back here, bro. But we finna find out. Alright. I got scraped up like crazy. It's nothing but boar tracks out here, bro. I don't see no openings. Oh! Oh, this sucks, bruh. I'm literally stuck in a divot. Even though I know I could just back out of it easily, but damn. Gloves back here? I'm ate up, bro. Let's see what else back here. Lead back here to somebody's fence. I ain't finna go this way because I'm gonna be in somebody's backyard and I ain't trying to violate nobody's privacy, so we finna go back this way. I don't even know how I got out here. Did I come through this way? Yeah, I did. So, that's pretty lit. I don't even know how far back I can go. I really do beat people out here. Just got like a whole empty lot back here. It's not bad, bruh. Feel like somebody... Bruh, man, these fucking sticks. Feel like somebody tried to make a fort back here. Guessing from all the stuff. I'm just go ahead and hit a Yui. I'm gonna just follow the sound of traffic. That's probably how I get out of here. Nothing but boar tracks. It's crazy. Anybody missing a bike, this is where it's located. I don't condone stealing, but if you're looking for your bike, it's right here. And I was basically on this side over here. Oh yeah, now we talking. Found me a new little spot. I guess this is part of the previous spot that I took y'all in, but I ain't going nowhere through there, anywhere over here if I'm by myself, because I don't got nobody watching my six. Alright gang, now that I'm back from my little joyride, let me know down below if you guys want to see more content like that. There's more where that came from. I was kind of limited on where I can go with the Surron because one, there was kids getting out of school, there was heavy traffic. It was just people everywhere confined to like certain small spaces, but I guarantee there will be more places and more opportunities for me to explore around the area. I just didn't want to go too far. I know I got to do some maintenance on the bike, so I've been slacking. I haven't done anything with the bike. I haven't cleaned it. I put no greaser, nothing on it. Like, it's still like as is. And right now it's currently like squeaking every so often. It's literally almost that time for me to replace my box gloves. I had some fun with these things, but pretty soon I'm gonna have to upgrade. Luckily I have a second pair of gloves. These are my beater gloves, so I don't care what happened to these. If I get dirty, muddy, these are gonna go in the trash anyway, so I use these the most. These just have a better grip. These ones are just thick as hell. Like, they're like the grip that it has on my hands when I'm writing. This one, I like that they're thin. I like that I'm able to use my phone. I do appreciate y'all for tuning in. I'm gonna go ahead and edit and drop some more bangers.
Be out here looking for a rich nigga, huh? Tryna look like a mood, he gon' trick on you, huh? Got a brand new crib off of OnlyFans. The nigga rap, but his homies are his only fans. Got me feeling like Biggie, where your dad at?